I've made some test projects. I've done some work inside of the VRCIS project to try to make this work, and I am not currently figuring out exactly what I'm missing yet, and hopefully this video will help me understand what it is that I need to do better, if you have any suggestions for it. So I'm going to make a new project, addition. Okay. I will add my text and my button and my label to hold the results of this simple addition. I'll change the name, or rather, I'll change the name and the display to input 1, and down here again, caption, input 1, text 2, input 2, input 2, and button, it's a plus button. And the label is the result, and we will give it a caption of equal sign. We're going to need some service variables. Insert service variable. Those show up over here inside of the services section. Input var, input 1 var. And I'm not sure which one I link it to. If I link with operation here, or if I go to the text box and link it there, but we'll get to that here in a second. I'll just add my other service variables. Input 2 var. Result var, and so I'll go to here, and default value is 0, and data value I'll link to. I don't see the place where I would link to, so that's interesting to me. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be able to see a service variable, so maybe if I save it, it'll show up. I don't see it still. Maybe I link it this way. Input var, input 1, bind. Okay, maybe that's how we do it. Operation will bind you to input 2. And result var. Really, we want to link result var to the addition of those two things, so I don't think we want to link this here, but we want the value, we want the caption to be the result var here, and I don't see where to link it here, so I'll cancel that. Behavior? Nope. And we want this to call an action or an event, so we go to events, on click, new service, service variables. I don't really want to connect the service variable to the button. I want to connect a service, but it created a service variable for me. Maybe I have the incorrect understanding of what a service variable is. I do believe I have the information here, but you don't need to watch me reading about it. I'm just curious. So I get this far, and I save it, and I'm not really sure how to make the service. So I create a v4gl service, and I call it add, and I don't see where it is anywhere. Find component, add. Don't see that anywhere. Model, nope. palette. That's stuff that I put in here, so that's not where that would be. Source, this is JavaScript. I'm not seeing where the v4gl stuff is. Server logs. What's going on with server logs? Deployed, project compiler, line path, packages. I don't see anything that is undeploying web application at addition. I don't know what all this means yet. Looks like there's a problem. It's not able to connect the data service in order to compile v4gl, or perhaps there aren't any data services added to the project. Oh, so I need a database, sounds like. Maybe that's why I'm having problems. Anyway, I'll save this and pass it off to you and see what you have to say about it.